Good morning, everyone. It is 4:54 a.m. We got an hour and a half drive. We are going back to New Melones, and we're gonna really try to go for a catch and cook. Let's go ahead and do this. Got a long road trip. So right now the rod and reel's reading that we are at 100 feet. So let's go ahead and start trolling. Let's lower this down and start trolling, because there are some massive fish here, guys. I could already start seeing them. There we go. About 45 feet. We'll see if we got what they want. We are trolling at 1.7 miles per hour. Wait. Yeah, 1.7. Probably would be helpful if I put my sunglasses on. So I think that's what I'll do. Oh! I got one. I was just reeling it in. There we go. It's a nice kokanee. No, it's a rainbow. It's a nice rainbow again, guys. Holy moly. He got off. He was pretty big, probably bigger than the last one, but it's okay. I wasn't gonna keep him anyways. I got him at like 100 feet, dude. That's deep. I thought he was tired because he was fighting for a while. Losing a fish like that? Damn it. Gosh darn it, man. I thought I had him hooked pretty good, but I guess I didn't. Oh. I think we got one. Nope, we don't. Let me check my bait now, because if it was a bite, they probably took the food. Oh, what the heck? Not the species we wanted, but we got a fish. Let me help you out, bud. Hold on. I'll get you out of here. No problem. I got you. No skunk. Take a picture of him. All right. Got him off trolling, but not the guy I wanted. We'll let him go. See you later, bud. At least no skunk, guys. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. No skunk. So we're changing out the pink plankton with the orange and clear hoochie. So yeah, he almost caught us a really big rainbow. Almost doesn't count though. Kind of sucks, but it did catch us a little baby bass. Dude, the water right now is warm. It's like 70 degrees, 72 degrees. Fish are like above like 20 feet, man. All right, guys, so before the camera dies, just want to let you guys know that we did catch a fish. Getting this one, it was about 200 feet. Maybe. I barely had him hooked under the chin, so yeah, his throat is a little cut up. So let's get him out so you guys can see him. So here he is right here. Beautiful rainbow trout. I'm pretty sure it's a rainbow. So we're gonna keep this one because we lost the other one. Yeah, so we'll keep this one. Hopefully my camera stops overheating. I took out the battery and then I opened up the hatch, which I think is what it wanted. So yeah, we're gonna put this guy on ice. That's one. Let's see if we can try and actually get a, we broke in the rod. Dr. Lee's rod. Heck yeah. All right, let's see if we could try and get some more. So it seems like they want the orange. But right now they're at 200 feet. So that's what I need to, I guess, aim for. That's where we caught the other one too, the big one that we lost. So we definitely got lucky getting that guy. God's on our side today, guys. Thank you, God, for blessing us with this beautiful trout. You know, thank you so much for not letting us go home skunking today. I should measure it. Let me measure it. Let's measure it. And blood all over the place. So it is, this trout is 16.5 inches, guys. So not too bad for our first trout of the day. Man, he got some sharp teeth. I'll tell you that. I might take this life jacket off for now. It is too hot. It is hot. But you know what? That's what fishing's all about, man. You're coming out here, enjoying yourself. I'm enjoying myself. Still mad that I lost that fish, but you know, that's why they call it fishing, not catching. Now the goal is gonna be to beat like 2 fish. It's gonna be a tough day today, so I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, don't get me wrong, anything's possible, but with the conditions right now and the water being so warm, I don't think that they would be biting right now. Wait a minute, I just realized I caught 2 fish. So we're technically, the next one, if we're able to put it in the boat, would be 3 and we would break our record. Yeah, let's go, baby. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. See, I gotta think about this sometimes, guys. That's why we call it post-fishing clarity, you know? Even though we're still fishing, it's not post-fishing. Doesn't matter though. The clarity came. Oh, we got one. Let's see what it is, guys. Oh, please stay recording. It's actually a rainbow. Got it. Let's go. We got another rainbow. He was fighting good, man. They are deep, guys. They are deep today. Well, he wasn't gonna go anywhere. Yeah, he wasn't gonna go anywhere. Another beautiful rainbow trout. Right here, guys. Oh, shoot. Probably be helpful if I take the freaking hook out, huh? Not hurt myself. Another rainbow, guys. Beautiful rainbow. Let's measure it. He gave a really good fight. He's getting slime all over. Let's measure. So measuring the rainbow. He is at 16. So we got ourselves another keeper, guys. That's 2 rainbows. No kokanee. I thought it was a kokanee from the way that it shined, but it wasn't. It's all right. Let's see how much he weighs. £1 6 ounces. £1 6 ounces, not bad. Ow. Not bad. At least you guys got to see that fight. I got that one off the combo of the power maggots and the corn. Yes, let's go, guys. Let's go. We broke our record. We broke our record. We got 3 freaking fish. You guys seen it. You guys seen it. I had the bass, a trout, and another trout. Let's go, man. Let's go. We broke the solo fishing what is it? Record. You know, because I only ever get 2. Let's freaking go, man. Yes. Let's go. Shout out time, guys. I want to give a shout out to Paul, Lucy, my niece, April. Thank you guys so much for watching and helping us out, if you know what I mean. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you guys as, you know, always watching out for us, and you know, you even watch the videos when they drop. So I appreciate that, guys. You know, Lucy, you might not understand right now, but it means a lot to us. And I really do appreciate you guys. Also, guys, we hit a milestone. We hit 100 subscribers. I didn't think we were going to hit that this year. I thought it was going to be, well, I mean, like, I assumed we were going to hit it this year, but I thought it was going to be like in December, like close to January. So thank you guys for subbing and watching the content. I really do hope you guys enjoy it. So to celebrate, we're going to be doing the catch and cook. Just want to let you guys know that the next 3 months are probably going to be a little hard for me to fish because my eldest son is here, and you know, he's visiting, and you know, with my work schedule and everything, I'm not going to be able to fish that much because I'd rather spend time with him. But I do know that he is open to fishing with me, and you know, I am already looking at getting a chair for the back of the kayak because I have room in the front, so I could just put the extra one back here. God, my hair's a mess. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna do it for me. My camera's died out on the freaking lake, but we're headed home. We're gonna be doing this celebration of hitting that milestone. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. Dang, my hair is really a mess. God, all right, let's do this. So I remember how to do the trout now, okay, guys? So to celebrate our 100 subscriber video, we're gonna be doing a catch and cook. You guys are gonna see the cleaning right now because you guys are freaks and been asking me to do this. But we got some rainbow trout here, beautiful rainbow trout. We got 2 of them. We were lucky enough to catch 2. As you guys seen in the video, look at that. Just look at that, beautiful, beautiful trouts. So let's go ahead and start scaling these guys. Same thing in the last video, go up. But if you guys noticed, I cut from here last time. It's not from there, it's from here. And then you pull everything out. So let's see if we could try and do it right this time. So remember, try not to go too deep. Sorry if you guys hear my dog panting. And then, all right, so now we got that done. We're gonna go through here where his chinny chin chin is, go to the other side, and then you're gonna cut straight up just like that, okay? So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab his tongue, because that's where his tongue is. Look at that. All right, and then we're just gonna pull down, okay? You're gonna feel his teeth here, so try not to get freaked out by it, and then you're gonna pull down. It usually just comes out. See how like it all just came out right here? Just like that. Maybe I just didn't cut far enough. So, yeah. That's how it's kind of done. Not really. So, and then all you're going to be left with like his air bladder right here. And then now we just need a bucket of water. Do the same thing that we did last time. Alright, then you're left with all the meat. And the ribs right here. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna fillet it. Leslie's mom's gonna fillet it, but we might just bake it. So I don't know. Take 2. All right, guys. We all get second chances. So here we go. Going again. Go up. Boom. Boom. Cut up. There we go. Boom. Done. Okay, separate the jaw. Put your, put your finger in here. And then pull the jaw. Dude, I've done this so many times. I don't know why I can't do it. Oh, I broke his jaw. So much for that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have the food here. So you guys probably seen in the video, I did not fillet it, and I messed up. You know, I'm going to get better, okay? We're not going to talk about it. But Leslie's mom baked it for us. Yeah, and filleted it. So she said that there's still a little bit of bone in there, so let's go ahead and give this a try. There's no side at all. Just the fish, straight fish today. It smells really good, actually. She said just lemon pepper and some garlic salt. Trying to make sure there's no bone. Damn. That's actually really good. She did way better than I did, that's for sure. Cheers to you guys for supporting me, getting me to 100 subscribers. Here's to 100 more in 2 years. Thank you guys so much. Dang, dude. Guys, this is pretty good. Lemon pepper, salt, and lemon pepper and garlic salt. That's the way to go. It's pretty good. Thank you guys so much for everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Even though we had a lot of mishaps with the GoPro, with the action camera overheating, and then the battery just completely dying. The battery actually overheated, so yeah. Hopefully we have a fix for that too. And like I said, if I don't upload, just know that I am trying to go fishing. Like I said, my son's here. I'm gonna try and spend as much time with him. But we might do maybe some, like, you know, upgrades to the kayak. You know, I'm probably gonna do that. Excuse me. But yeah, stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for the 100 subs. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.